I've got this piece of stainless steel. It's 1 millimeter thick, and I'm going to use this to form the base of a toothpaste tube squeezer. I briefly glimpsed one of these things in plastic, and I thought, yeah, I could probably do that in steel. So this is my first attempt, and I guess you could just say this is a trial run. While I'm fumbling along here, let me give a shout out to two guys for their recent generous donations. They are Stephen Watkins and Ron Thacker. Thank you fellas for constantly being there to hold down the fort. Much appreciated. When you see the finished product, it'll become more apparent what I'm doing. So the final part is this little piece of pipe which will rotate within that space. So there it is, my first toothpaste tube squeezer slash stand. It's just very basic because I want to see if this first works. So here we go. Toothpaste tubes nowadays, which are plastic, don't stay crimped like the old foil ones. Works pretty well. You can see how the tube is rolling up, and being that the stainless steel is thin, is only 1 mm, gives it some spring. Hey, I'm ready to brush my teeth. And of course, I got a lot more fooling around to do.